Welcome to our video on melt-away fat with these 10 powerful superfoods. We have compiled a list of 10 incredibly powerful superfoods that can assist you in your weight loss journey. These foods are packed with the right combination of nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants to support fat burning and boost your metabolism. So, without further ado, let's discover these miraculous foods. 1. Avocado. Our first superfood is the mighty avocado. This fruit, yes, fruit, is packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. It also contains fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Adding avocados to your diet can contribute to higher energy levels and a healthier body weight. 2. Blueberries. Next up, we have blueberries, the tiny yet mighty superfood. These tasty berries are rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation and help reduce belly fat. Blueberries are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for weight loss. Start your mornings with a bowl of blueberries, or add them to your smoothies for a delicious and fat-burning treat. 3. Spinach. Now, let's meet Popeye's favorite green superhero. Spinach. Packed with vitamins, iron, and fiber, spinach is an incredible superfood that aids in weight loss. Its high water content helps to keep you hydrated, while its low calorie count makes it an ideal addition to any weight loss plan. Enjoy spinach in salads, smoothies, or as a side dish, and watch it work its magic. 4. Salmon. Our fourth superfood is the almighty salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein, salmon is not only tasty but also incredibly beneficial for weight loss. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and control appetite, making you feel full for longer. Regularly incorporate salmon into your meals, and you'll notice the scales tipping in your favor. 5. Quinoa. Our next superfood is none other than the versatile quinoa. As a complete protein, quinoa helps build muscle and burn fat. It is also packed with fiber and various essential nutrients, making it an excellent food option for weight loss. Replace refined grains with quinoa in your meals to boost your metabolism and fuel your weight loss journey. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is our sixth superfood on the list. It is a rich source of protein, which helps promote satiety and preserve lean muscle mass during weight loss. Greek yogurt is also packed with beneficial probiotics that promote a healthy gut, supporting your body's digestion and overall well-being. Snack on Greek yogurt, guilt-free, and let it aid your weight loss endeavors. 7. Chia Seeds. Next, we bring you the tiny chia seeds, packed with mighty health benefits. These tiny seeds can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, expanding in your stomach to provide a feeling of fullness. They are high in fiber and also contain omega-3s, both of which contribute to fat burning and help you achieve your weight loss goals. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, add them to smoothies, or use them as an egg substitute. The possibilities are endless. 8. Broccoli. Our eighth superfood is the cruciferous vegetable, broccoli. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, broccoli is a powerhouse of nutrition. It is low in calories, high in water content, and offers numerous weight loss benefits. Incorporate this green giant into your meals and enjoy its fat-burning and health-promoting properties. 9. Almonds. Almonds, our ninth superfood, are not only delicious, but also a perfect aid for weight loss. These nuts are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making them a satisfying snack that can keep you feeling full for longer. The combination of nutrients in almonds helps regulate blood sugar levels and control cravings. Grab a handful of almonds as a guilt-free snack or sprinkle them on your meals for that extra crunch. 10. Green tea. Last but not least, we have our 10th superfood, green tea. Packed with antioxidants and metabolism-boosting properties, green tea is an excellent addition to any weight loss plan. It helps to increase calorie burn, supports fat oxidation, and enhances metabolism. Swap sugary beverages with green tea and sip your way to a healthier, slimmer you. You are now armed with the knowledge of these 10 powerful superfoods that can help you melt away fat and achieve your weight loss goals. Remember to incorporate these foods into your diet and witness the incredible transformation they can bring. Embrace a healthier lifestyle and let these superfoods be your allies in your journey towards a fitter and happier you. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your weight loss journey.